To get started, I'm going to be tweezing the hairline. This is very important to achieving a natural wig look. I'm just taking a good pair of tweezers and just going straight across the hairline, thinning it out just a bit. So this is a 360 lace frontal wig. It does come with combs to secure the wig down if you don't want to glue it down. I am just using the Got to Be Glued gel to secure my unit down. Have a full tutorial on this if you want to know how I secure my wigs down. It'll be somewhere in this video. So this is pretty much what the hair looks like before I do any type of styling. And because I'm just doing braids with this wig, I definitely want to flatten out the roots. So I'm just using a hot comb and of course my favorite wax stick, and I'm just going to straighten out the hair. So you guys know I cannot braid, okay? I'm not even gonna try, don't even want to know how to braid. So my friend is over braiding my hair. I love the two braids going straight down the back. So that is look number one. Just in case you're wondering why I have this scarf on my head while she is braiding my hair, it's because I did not use like a heavy duty glue to secure my frontal or my wig down. I just used the Got to Be Glued gel, which is just a temporary hold. And since she's pulling on the hair, I didn't want the wig to come up, so I just put the scarf on my head. So this is look number one. Okay, so moving on to look number two, I'm going to tie the scarf around my head again just to make sure the wig does not move while she is braiding my hair. Okay, this next look is real simple as well. She's just going to put two braids going straight down the sides. So this right here could easily be a look because this hair does have a natural wave to it. So just adding two braids in the front just switches up the look a whole lot. So I'm just using a curling wand to kind of flatten out the top of the hair. And then next I'm going to put the hair into two pigtails, ponytails, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to use that same curling wand and add some curls to my ponytail. When you are doing the curls, especially if you want a lot of volume in your ponytail, like curl the hair in one direction and then the next section of your hair curl it in the opposite direction, and that's just going to give you a lot of volume instead of having the hair going in one direction, which is not going to give you that volume look that you will see in this video. Just in case you didn't follow what I was saying, you see the right side of my ponytail has a lot of volume in the curls, and the left side of my ponytail doesn't have any volume whatsoever. That's because I curled my hair going in the same direction instead of one curl the same direction, the next curl the opposite direction. And I also noticed that my ponytails wasn't even, so I'm just fixing that right here, making sure I don't finger comb any of the curls. So I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and I'm just kind of teasing the curls to get it to look more fuller, and that's really just the look that I'm going for. I want my ponytails to be really full and have a lot of curls popping. So this is look number three. So as you can see, you can just put your hair in two pig ponytails and then have the braids going down the side, and it changes up the entire look. Here's another quick look to that hairstyle that I just did. I can just take my hair out the ponytail and wear the hair just like this with the wand curls still popping. That's why I really didn't want to comb the curls out too much, just in case I wanted to wear the hair down. So next, only thing I'm going to do is still keep those 2 braids because I love this look, and I'm just going to put the hair in a side ponytail, tease the hair just a little bit more, and boom, here's my look number 4. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how you can braid your wigs and make them look fun and cute. Thanks for watching. Purchasing information will be below.